Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, we are going to talk about the current updates as in summary. We will talk about NMC bill court case when the judgment is expected, and is there any possibility of counseling postponement or delay. Okay, MCC brochure when we can expect it to be published and why it is not published yet, and what about NRI conversion and EWS case, all other hot topics related to NEET PG 2022 counseling. So before we proceed, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe our channel and you can join our Telegram group. The Telegram group members are going to reach now 16,000, and you can also avail our paid counseling guidance because you the date is given as 1st of September. Okay, so before that you have to keep all your readiness ready, and if you have planned like you need some paid assistance, then why to delay? And if you want to go on your own and try out, then you should have done all the analysis, so that once the seat matrix is published, because you won't be having much time then, so you should do the analysis, how you need to fill the choices for D and B and government college, and if you're going for diploma, then diploma, and depending on your rank for deemed universities. You can also download our application and you can visit on NEET Mentor portal, where you can access last year cut-off details. There is a college predictor also. Your college is based on your rank, budget, and a state selection will be predicted over there. You can check out the fee structure and all such things, colleges details, IPD, OPD, how many surgeries getting conducted, and for each and every branches specific details. So let's talk first about NMC bill court case. In High Court of Madras, the judgment is reserved, and we got us update from some sources is media partner and who has the responsibility to update in Times of India. So the Chief Justice Munishwar Nath Bhandari will not be available, okay, on today, and he has planned to go for Madurai. Okay, so we can expect it on Tuesday or Thursday. Okay, and we will know the exact date of judgment only a day before the delivery. Means if judgment is going to happen tomorrow, then you will get a date as on today. So this is all about NMC bill 50% 50% seats conversion to government quota. The representative from Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry colleges have put the PIL against this NMC 50% seats. So this is going to get delayed. Today is 29th. If it comes on 30 at the earliest which is possible, and tomorrow we also have court case hearing, EWS court case hearing. So all the typical or like critical decisions are scheduled to be taken just like 1 or 2 days prior of registration, which is scheduled to happen on 1st of September. Even though Supreme Court is committed not to delay the counseling, but the Supreme Court has given the date for the EWS court case on 30th of August, which they could have cleared much earlier, because it got delayed 2 times. Okay, and if it doesn't get clear on 30th or 31st, okay, then there will be definitely a delay. Postponement is different, delay is different. Postponement will be like there's no definite date when it's going to reschedule, but when they reschedule it, knowing that these are the some pending matters, there is possible that it can get delayed by 1 week or so. There are many regions. MCC brochures, okay, in the brochure they have to publish all the rules, like who are eligible in case, assume that NMC bill ultimately gets implemented, okay, then they have to mention that for NMC bill due to impact created by MNC bill, like for 50% government seat in deemed universities, who are the eligible candidates and whether the reservation will work out for them or not. So these matters need to be clearly written in the brochure because that's source of information. Since still they are trying for NMC bill and they haven't given up or any kind of a statement that for this year let the counseling proceed with the last year rules, and we will keep on working on implementation of NMC bill until unless this statement comes from government body or like Supreme Court. They are still trying for it. So that's the reason behind MCC brochure is still not published. MCC brochure is still not published because they have no confirmation about the specific rules what they need to mention. Coming to NRI conversion, as we saw one of the paper cutting, if we assume that paper cutting was genuine, okay, because we didn't get any information officially from state of Madhya Pradesh. So in the paper cutting, there was increment in the number of seat in NRI. So if we assume that they are going to compensate the loss that incurred to the private colleges by giving more NRI seats or more seats which is having higher tuition fee, and then reducing the fee for remaining 50% seats. If that's the strategy and they allow the candidates to convert their citizenship from Indian to NRI, and later they increase the seat in NRI, so many candidates who will not be hopeful to get NRI seats in particular college based on number of seats which would be lesser, and after seat matrix getting published the number is more, then it will be injustice to them, or they should should be given again the opportunity to convert themselves in NRI. So up to me it looks like everything is pending. NRI conversion is pending, MCC brochure is not published, okay, court case getting delayed, EWS is pending, okay. So the counseling is highly dependent on the factor whether NMC will is going to get implemented. See, there are two things, it's already passed but it has not come into implementation. The fee structure has to be decided, that what is the fee structure for 50% seats in private colleges, okay, due to NMC implementation. So it all depending on NMC bill, that's why it may get delayed or it may not, okay. So we have to see what will happen, okay. Today nothing, no update will come. Tomorrow there will be update at least from EW side in Supreme Court, and subsequently we will be getting other updates, and then we will reaching on first, okay. Before that it's expected that by tomorrow they should release the seat matrix because inspection is completed in private and government colleges both, then they should not be delayed. If they are delaying it, it means that it's going to reschedule, okay. So with this note I am going to conclude this video, okay, and all the best that you are putting your effort for the counseling, and hope that it gets started on time and we get closure on time. Thanks for watching.